thank you first to the wonderful organization that makes this possible. I'm just thrilled to see you here. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being interested in this subject. And I think that we're really both here for the same reason. You're here for the same reason that I'm here. We know there's something going on in the world. We're getting sicker. Our children are getting sicker. It's true, we have more longevity. Maybe lifespan has been stretched for us, but we have to live on pills as a price for that. And we know there's something wrong with that. Our birth defect rate has skyrocketed. I think childhood diseases have skyrocketed. And what we're just glibly calling things genetic disease and looking for a gene to explain it in order to get away from the rational questions that we need to ask. Why is this happening now and didn't happen the first half of this last century? We have to go at this as a real problem, not something to be shoved aside and just called genetic. And I think I have an answer. I don't know anybody else who is searching for this very answer. Everybody is searching for drugs, vitamins, minerals, something to treat the condition. But you know, I have been most interested in finding the causes of conditions and then trying to get everybody mobilized to solve it, because it takes everybody, I think. I started to notice this universal disease increase, the increase in bad health. I started to notice some explanations for it about a year and a half ago. I didn't want to talk about it until I had stronger evidence. And now I do have stronger evidence. And in fact, it's a kind of evidence we can do something about. And that's why I'm here to tell you about it. I'm not going to talk about cancer, although it interrelates. Because cancer and other diseases are built on top of this universal disease or global disease. In other words, we all get global disease from living on this earth. And then we get special diseases from things on top of that. I call it a new concept because I haven't seen it raised anywhere, and I do have data for it now. And I'd like it very much if you would get involved in this. It's your children and grandchildren that need protection from this. The age of your grandchildren is the age of 2 autistic children in one family, 2 Down syndrome in one family. And I know a family with 3 Down syndrome who came to our clinic. Now, you know, an alarm needs to go out over such a situation. It would have gone out 100 years ago, but we're getting numbed to the whole phenomenon of increasing illness, and we need to know why.